Hi, my name's Kazim Nami, and I'm going to take you through Gift with Purchase in Sitecore Experience Commerce. Gift with Purchase is a sales tactic that entices and converts shoppers. If you think back to eating cereal as a kid, the prizes you got with them, and how excited you were, or the toy with the McDonald's Happy Meal that maybe one of your kids gets and how excited they are. Those are examples of gift with purchase, as it lets shoppers buy one or more products and receive one or more free products. Unlike other promotions, gift with purchase doesn't take away from the value of the primary product, like offering a discount or providing free shipping. The gift with purchase is used to add value to the shopper, which encourages customers to buy by providing more for the same price. Some shopper benefits include that of cost savings. So the customer receives more for the same price. Also, they gain experiences. So gift with purchase allows shoppers to experience products they ordinarily might not have tried. And this is very common in the makeup and beauty sector. Some merchant benefits include an increase in customer engagement and repeat purchases. So by offering a gift with purchase complementary to the products being purchased, e.g. socks with shoes, it adds more value to the customer, engages them, and promotes repeat purchase. So for example, the socks with shoes example, the customer might fall in love with the free pair of socks, which entices them to go back and purchase more of those socks, maybe a pack of 5, pack of 10. Some other merchant benefits include that of increasing conversions. So the perceived value by the shopper, potentially for a limited time, will generally result in an increase in conversion. Another merchant benefit includes that of an increase in average order value and up or cross-sell. When qualifying for a gift with purchase is targeted at a minimum order value, the average order value can increase. In scenarios where a shopper doesn't meet that minimum threshold, it can encourage them to purchase more. Reference a research paper dating back to 2004 that you may be interested to read. It actually goes through in quite a bit of detail whether a gift with purchase is promoting or discounting the brand. So something worth reading. So the demonstration scenario that I'm going to take you through is going to be actually two scenarios. The first one is going to be the automatic gift with purchase scenario, and the second one is going to be the shopper selection scenario, which includes being able to offer one or more gifts for selection. We're going to go through the creation process, and we're also going to go through the pre-built components that are available within the Sitecore Experience Accelerator storefront. Before we do that, I'm just going to go through quickly some of the documentation that's available just to draw your attention to it. So we've got some general documentation, we've got some that goes through the creation process, the different renderings that are available in the storefront, some documentation on customization of those renderings, which are all Scriven based and available to make changes to the CSS and HTML without the need of a developer and a deployment. We've also got some documentation on the APIs that are available, that is the developer APIs that are available, as well as the front-end APIs that are available that allow for the different components within the storefront to communicate between each other. Also some performance considerations, documentation as well as FAQ. So over to the demonstration now. So on the left hand side here, I've got the Sitecore Experience Accelerator storefront. Comes with a bunch of pre-configured components. There's a sample catalog to use when you install Sitecore Commerce. And on the right hand side, I'm logged into the back end of Sitecore. This is the launch pad within Sitecore. And I'm going to specifically just go into the commerce tools and start to configure a promotion, specifically for the free gift scenario. Okay, so a promotion is made up of 4 parts. Some details, which we just entered, as well as qualification, which is some rules that evaluate to determine whether this promotion can apply. We have benefits, the actual benefit that the shopper will receive if the qualification evaluates to true, as well as couponing. So we have a public coupon capability as well as a private coupon capability. Okay, so now that that's created, we're going to add an item into the items collection, specify the catalog, and we're going to target the product as a whole. And so what that does is it automatically adds this condition in the qualification section. Okay, so we're going to add a benefit now. Going to add a free gift, and we're not going to specify a quantity. We're going to add the cart automatically. So we're going to add a free gift, and we're going to select the product, and that's it. So what we're going to do is we are going to publish this now, and because I'm logged in as an administrator, I can do that. I can both create and approve. Okay, so now that that's done, go back to the storefront, and if I do a search for mobile phones, so I'm in the smartphone category, and if I look for the 64 gig, and we can add to cart, and you can see here that there's already 2 products in the cart. So one is obviously the one that we added, the mobile phone, and then we have a second item in the cart, which is the free gift, which was automatically added. And what we can also see is that if we remove the primary product, both products will be removed. So that free gift will also be removed if the qualifying portion of the promotion is no longer evaluating. Okay, so moving on to the second scenario now. So we'll add a promotion. Okay, so this promotion is going to set up as a gift with purchase, which has a selection available on it for the shopper. So we're going to add an item to the collection. If this product is in the cart, any variant of this product is in the cart, that will evaluate the qualification portion to being true within this, and then potentially apply the benefit. And the benefit that we're going to apply is the free gift, and the maximum quantity we're going to say is 2. And now we're presented with a section to add free gifts. Okay, so now we've got the 3 different headphones configured for the free gift selection. We can go and request approval. And we can approve that. Okay, so again, if we go into the phone section, okay, so we're navigating to smartphone, and we're going to have a look for the 16 gigabyte Habitat Odyssey. And notice this product detail page here. When we add that to the cart, you can see that one item's been added to the cart, and on the product detail page itself, we're actually being presented with the ability to add or select a free gift. So this component, it can be placed within the product detail page or within the cart page. At a minimum, it should always be on the cart page, and it's optionally available for you to add on the product detail page. So we could go and make a selection for this one, and we can claim that free gift. But it's actually telling us you are entitled to 2 free gifts and have chosen one. Please select your free gift. And then it's just telling us that we can change our free selection by first removing an item from the cart. So we can see here we've got those 2 in there as well. And if we go and view the cart, we'll see that. And in the cart, we've gone and removed one, and now we're presented with that same control that we saw on the product detail page within the cart page to then go and make a selection. So we can go and claim that. Likewise, if we delete the primary product, the free gifts are also deleted as well. So if I click back to the smartphone and we go and add that to the cart from this page, and assuming the shopper didn't see this free gift selection option within the product detail page, or you chose not to configure that on the product detail page, then we can go into the cart itself and the shopper will be presented with these options. So as you can see, it's a very complete gift with purchase offering that's available within Sitecore Experience Commerce 10 and caters for a multitude of different scenarios, which is great to have at our disposal. Okay, so just to summarize, it's a pretty complete offering for gift with purchase, and the shopper benefits that are available are to be able to offer cost savings to them in order to entice them to convert, giving them new experiences that they ordinarily might not have tried. So some of the merchant benefits we see are when a shopper is offered complementary products as free gifts to the primary products being purchased. It allows them to try products that they ordinarily might not have tried, and therefore can facilitate the repeat purchase. So where that product they actually just got a sample, which they liked, and they can come back again and purchase a larger size of that or more quantity of that. There's also an increase in conversion that is seen. That is seen when a limited time offer is also associated to a gift with purchase, which entices the transaction to take place sooner rather than later. Also, when there is a specific threshold that needs to be met, a dollar value that is needed to be met, it can entice the shopper to purchase additional products, so cross-sell other products in order to be able to hit that threshold and be awarded that gift. So it can increase the average order value. These are just some of the many benefits that are available when using gifts with purchase as part of your strategy.